If you're just getting started with Capcut Desktop and want to learn how to bring your videos, photos, or audio into your project, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and works the same on both Windows and Mac. Let's get started. First, open Capcut Desktop on your computer. Once your project is open, you're ready to add your media. Now, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a section labeled Media. This is your media library and is where all your videos, images, and audio files will appear once you import them. Inside that section, you'll notice an Import button. It's usually blue or has a plus icon, and that's what you'll use to bring your files into Capcut. There are two easy ways to import your media. Let's start with the first one, which is using the Import button. This method is perfect if you're new to Capcut. Click the Import button and a File Explorer window will open on Windows, or Finder if you're on a Mac. Find the folder where your videos, photos, or audio files are stored. Select the ones you want to add. If you need to choose more than one, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each file. You can also drag your mouse around a group of files to select them all at once. When you're done, click Open or Import. Your files will instantly appear in the Capcut Media Library, ready to use in your project. The second method is even faster, especially if you've been editing for a while. You can simply drag and drop your files into Capcut. To do this, minimize Capcut slightly so you can see your desktop or the folder that has your media files. Then, select your videos, photos, or audio clips and drag them straight into the media section on the top left of Capcut. As soon as you drop them there, Capcut will automatically import them, and they'll show up in your library. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to import videos, images, and audio into Capcut Desktop. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.